Hello guys and welcome. In this video, we're going to talk about the software update of Huawei P40 series. Huawei P40 lineup is receiving a new software update that installs the latest security patch released in March 2021. This new security patch fixes two critical 13 high and 132 medium levels of CVE for improved system security. The March 2021 security patch is rolling out for Huawei P40 smartphones and comes with EMUI 11 version 11.0.0.176, upgrading from EMUI 172 and 173. To be mentioned, this version is related to the Chinese models of Huawei P40, P40 Pro, and P40 Pro Plus, and may vary depending on the region and the country. Also, the update is rolling out in batches, and its availability could be different. If you have new information to share, please send it on screenshot at huaweicentral.com. If you want to download this software update, open the Settings menu, tap on System and Updates. Open Software Update, and then tap on Check for Updates. If an update is available, you can download it by pressing Download and Install. After the installation, the device will reboot and set up your phone for the first use. On the other hand, you can also request the software update through the Support tab. To do this, open the Support tab, tap on the Service tab, click on the Update button, tap on Check for Update. If an update is available, click on the Download and Install. After that, reboot your device. That's it for now. Until next time, be connected. If you like this video, then press the like button, comment below, and press the bell icon to get notified on our latest video. You can also follow us on Twitter, Facebook, and join our Telegram channel for fastest notification on the latest news. And don't forget to visit huaweicentral.com.